everyone, how are you all? So this is Nazia. I'm back again. So this week is a love week, like a happy Valentine's Day. So if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. If you are watching this and you're already subscribed, please do like, share and comment. So as because this week is a Valentine's week, so I felt like to gift myself few things which already is there in my wish list. So I am going to show this whole video about my some random pickups for my Valentine's Day. I do a lot of shopping in Myntra and as well as Style Street store. I'll keep that website link in the description. So I got those products exactly before one day of Valentine's Day. So I thought of making a video on this. So I gifted myself, so definitely I want to share with you guys. So you are actually my family who is watching, supporting and seeing all my weirdest things, so I thank you so much. So first I'll start with what I have bought from Style Street store website. So I bought it two tops there. So one is this top. So it's like a Korean top. If you So this is the top which I have bought. So I'll mention that here with the picture and the price. It might be approximately 4 to 500, I think. So the second top I got it from the same website is this one. So it's a professional tunic top. I really love this one and the quality is really good. See, it's too good. And I bought this size. I always take this type of tops one size lesser because sometimes I wear inner, I might not wear inner, I just stick the pads. So definitely I would like to go for one size smaller so that it can be a little tight. So it's extra small. This top is around, I think, because these tops I bought it like 2 for 999 or 2 for 899 in the website, so I'll mention that here. I think it is also around 600 or 700, I think. So okay, so the remaining one dress and one top I got it from Myntra. So I was doing shopping, I mean, like I kept a lot of wish list in the Myntra, so I felt like to buy for myself. So the first top I already used it, this one, the very same day which I got, so that I have to go somewhere, so I felt like to wear this top. So I'll mention the picture of the top and with the price. So this is the top. You can wear inside a singlet or any like crop top, sleeveless crop top, and wear it and tie it up. And I think this will go with the white and black inside crop top. So this dress, I'll mention the picture here. This dress, my god, it's like a beautiful, like it's like a, you know, like a 70s 60s 70s British type of like stiffness here, and with a lot of stiffness and give a lot of good structure and posture to the body. The frocks, you remember, we usually see in the movies. So it's a very long frock. I got this first in extra small. I thought like it will get loose, but the extra small is not getting fit for me. Then I have to wait for another 2 days and replace with the size small. I got it on after Valentine's Day, so I didn't get a chance to wear it also, and as well as I got it after Valentine's Day, so I have to skip it up. So definitely I'll wear somewhere in a very good occasion. This is from Tokyo Takis. This is the dress. When I was opening the package, I lost this button. I have to sew it now, or I'll tell to my mother to do it. I'm like a very messy opener. When it comes to opening the package, I tear up like that. So it's okay, Kinchana. Sometimes it happens. So I bought a very good bracelet from Myntra itself. I don't remember the brand, but definitely I'll post the picture and the brand and the link. If you need a link, I can give you in the description here. So this is the bracelet. I got it because why I got this bracelet, because I do have a same earrings for me, which I bought it in Bangalore when I was last year when I went to the friend house. In somewhere in the shopping mall, small stalls will be there, no, in the outside of the shopping mall. So I saw there and I liked it and I bought that. So it's look like little Tiffany and Co design, similar dupe design. So definitely I felt like to purchase it. The earrings was really good, so I felt like I do have only earrings, I don't have any matchup like a neck chain or bracelet. So now I found that in Myntra and I couldn't stop myself to purchase it. So this is around 400 rupees. Very nice, they have given an extension also. And I bought some perfumes, as I told you in the top picks of my favorite vlog. My property is literally perfumes. I couldn't stop myself to smell good, or if anybody is smelling good, I feel very happy. So I couldn't stop myself to buy perfume. So I went with my friend for shopping. Then I went to a Zara and Bath and Body Works. Bath and Body Works are the very beautiful collection they have. Now they got a very beautiful Valentine collection. So I went there with my friend and my friend was purchasing, then I couldn't stop myself to buy it. So this is one I bought it. It's a Gangnam Glow by Bath and Body Works. It's like little smell of jasmine. As I said earlier, I love jasmine smell. So this was the price around how much it is. It is actually 2200 price, as because of it is a Valentine week, so they have put the offer on this, and this I got it for 999. So where is 2200 and where is 999? 1000. It means almost 1200 discount rupees reduced on the purchase actually price. So it smells so good. Body mist is mandatory for me. Every time when I come out from the shower, I put a lotion and then I'll put a body mist, and when I was stepping out from the house, then I'll put on some perfume. So that's the basic rule I follow when I want to smell good, and you want to follow that also, do please follow. And then I bought it from Zara because I removed all the packages, because I want to see the product is in a good condition or not, because sometimes it get cracked, or sometimes some people might smell it or spray it and keep there in the stall. So that's the reason I have to open it up, because that's the reason I can't show opening packages here in this vlog. So this is Violet Blossom Zara Dress Time. So this is also comes with a high note of jasmine, medium note is a sand, like a wood, and it get evaporate and it will get settled. My god, always I say some of the main brands, I will tell you which brand this will be a dupe for, which brand you can use this one, because there is one perfume here I am very hard to pronounce also. I think it is a Maglaire or something. I'll put the picture of actually perfume, main perfume. That perfume dupe is this one. You'll get this in one in blue bottle and one in white bottle. So both are the same notes, but this one comes with sandal and jasmine. That one will come with sandal, jasmine, and as well as rose combination. So that is little strong and this is little light, mild. So these two perfumes are the combination of this perfume which I have shared the picture. So many perfumes, main perfumes like a very big brand perfumes, dupes you can get in Zara. If you want me to do, I'll definitely do. Not actually, I'm planning to do it because I do have a very lot of big brands of perfume. So I felt like to get a dupes of that, so that who is having a budget issue can purchase those here in Zara store. So very good perfume. This one was around no, this one is around 1800, and as because of Valentine's week I got this for 950 rupees, very less. And I felt like to purchase it. I couldn't stop myself when I get in front of perfumes. I don't know, that's the reason whenever I go any shopping mall I avoid that section mostly because I couldn't stop. Even though I don't have money in my pocket, I call my mother and I'll ask money and I'll purchase it. I don't know what is the weakness for me about the perfumes. God knows. Even I don't know the answer. The another is I bought it Aqualogic from Amazon. I saw that in Nykaa, but it was out of stock, so I found it in Amazon. Aqualogic Dual Floral Kiss. It's a body mist, but this body mist I don't use on the body. I liked it while I was spraying on the hair. Like, smells so good. So I saw this McCaffeine shade, raspberry, lip and cheek glow tint. So lip and cheek glow tint. This is my second package of McCaffeine actually. When I bought it, I used it, it's over. So the second package I got it. Then my friend saw this. She felt like it was so good and she took it away. Okay, she paid me, it's not that thing. Then I have to keep again, and luckily it's only left one piece. Then I have to order very fastly. I did, and I got it in my hands. So this is the bottle. Look at that bottle, like it's so sleek, like so nice. I love this packaging also. McCaffeine is one of my favorite brand. So this raspberry, not strawberry. Look at the shade. Smells so good. It feels like to eat. Once it get little dry up, it actually looks like a natural lip tint, like your natural pH level lip tint. So very beautiful. Did you see that? Must buy. It's around 399 rupees, 39 like 400 rupees. I got it in from Myntra. Because I couldn't find in another app, so I bought it in Myntra. So still I think it is available. Must purchase. So these are the products I bought it for myself for this Valentine. So I felt very happy. Yes, I hope you like this video and it is really helpful for you. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please do follow me in the Instagram as well. And please like, share and comment, and ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ కర్లో భాయ్, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. ఐ am not speaking in Hindi and Telugu and being in a common language because I feel comfortable to talk in a common language, but definitely I'll talk in Hindi and Telugu also. So thank you so much for your love, and please subscribe and give me a lots of love and support. And thank you and have a nice weekend, and I'll see you back with a very good and useful vlog.